Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my first flag on my CNC machine. You see a lot of people doing them, on YouTube and on the Facebook groups and whatnot. Thought I'd have a go myself. Haven't done one before, so this was my first time doing one, so I chose to do the Harley Davidson logo. It's a pretty popular thing, I created the design in Inkscape. Obviously not the Harley logo, already had that, but I created the flag and everything else in Inkscape and saved that as an SVG and took that into Carbide Create and used Carbide Create to set all the toolpaths. So I actually used 3 different bits to do this one. So there's a 1/8 or a 3.175mm 2-flute straight cut. That's what's going through now, doing the logo and the smaller parts of the stripes. And then I ended up switching over to a 6mm straight cut, 2-flute straight cut bit, which you can see now, just to sort of take out a bit more of the material, a bit more of the bulk. And then finish the stars off with the 90-degree V-bit. So I was pretty happy with how the flag turned out. Obviously it was a bit of a learning curve, and there's probably, a few things there that I need to look at. The stars weren't all really exactly the same because the board wasn't level. I didn't level the board or anything, it's just some 19mm pine. So I just went straight in and sort of did that. So it's probably something I'll need to look at on the next one. I didn't get any footage of painting the sign and burning it. I ended up painting, so it's actually black underneath the aura mask. So I've painted the board black, I've laid down the aura mask, and then I've put it on the machine to carve. And once it came off the machine, I just painted like an orange stripe and used like a small burner to just burn the wood, and then gave it a clear coat. But I'll chuck up a couple of pictures at the end of the video just so you can see what it ended up turning out like. And as I said, it was the first one that I'd done, so bit of a learning curve sort of thing. But I'm definitely going to do a couple more and probably some different designs as well. But I think for the first one, it turned out pretty good. And again, I used Inkscape to create the design, and then Carbide Create to set the toolpaths for the V-carve and all that sort of stuff. So then thanks for watching, and enjoy.